Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download CapCut app in Android. So guys, let's continue. At first go to the Google Chrome and then click on the search bar and search CapCut APK. Click on CapCut APK for Android download. Swipe down, then click on download APK. Then click on first download with APK Pure. Click on download anyway. Open the file and click on install. Done. And you can see the app was downloaded, and that's how you can download CapCut app in Android. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.